afternoon and welcome to another edition of Julia's Novelty Bloomers. Seances, aren't they great? Gothic Monopoly, board games for the pathologically morbid. Or for curious students, you're a first year undergrad in halls and it's a hailstorming Cathy at the window sort of night. And some joker, and it's always a science student or a maths student, and always male, says, let's do a seance. So you think, okay, yeah, I'm up for that. Great idea. So, okay, what do we use? What do we do it with? Well, no problem. Karen from 2 doors down on my corridor has a breadboard. So we use that. Of course, months later, Karen keeps complaining that loaves keep going missing. And I say, no, it's not me. No, it was the poltergeist. You've got a haunted breadboard. I didn't steal them. Planchet, the little thing you use to do the letters. No problem. Jake, the junk food junkie from the first floor, finds a pot noodle tub. So we use an upside down pot noodle tub. And the letters somebody finds from the Scrabble kit. Sorted. And so we sit there in the dark with all the lights off while the rain is coming in through the windows because they leak or something, and utter the immortal words, "Is there anybody there?" Pot starts moving. You moving it? Nope. You moving it? You moving it? Nope, not me, not me, not moving it, not moving it, not moving it. And there's this weird kind of shifting sound. It makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up because I think that's the sound of the hourglass, the time, the sands of time running through the hourglass. We're all doomed. And I whisper, "What's that noise?" And Jake, junk food junkie, says, "It's the chicken noodles. I haven't eaten them yet. They're moving around in the pot." Okay. We fortify ourselves with several whiskies and persevere. Next thing, there's this howling, moaning sound like, "Wow, wow, wow, it's me, Cathy!" Kate Bush at the window. No, it was the heating playing silly beggars. Thank you for listening to another edition of Julia's Novelty Bloomers. Catch you later.